I subscribe to well over 100 YouTube channels, and they're primarily maker channels, people that do woodwork and metalwork and so forth. And I tell you, I enjoy them all. There's some really big deal stations out there that I like. Everybody knows these names, and but then there are the smaller shops, and then the ones that are, I think, are emerging talents. And you know, I almost feel like we ought to have some kind of recognition periodically for some of these YouTubers that have come along. So this is the second time I'm doing this. I did it last year. I awarded it to Dave M. Now I called it the Machinist of the Year Award, the Stuart Arts Machinist of the Year, but I decided to make the award a little more generic into Maker. So this is the Stuart Arts 2018 Maker of the Year. Under the Stolen Motel Ice Bucket, I have the 2018 Maker of the Year Award. The judges have been deliberating for quite a while, and the decision is that the trophy will be awarded this year to Emma's Spare Room Machine Shop. Congratulations, Emma. I always enjoy the videos that Emma puts out on the Spare Room channel. Always a wide variety of content. Watched a series of videos on how to build a little steam engine locomotive from scratch. That was fun to watch. All the way down to something small like making an aluminum knob for a Craftsman toolbox. Just the sort of things that I like to do here at Stuart Arts, and a very wide variety of skill sets. You know, everything from sand casting, etching, brazing, turning, you name it, sign painting. The list goes on and on. I mean, you're a real universal maker, and you do really nice quality work. And I enjoy seeing what you're doing. I thank you for all the great content that you put out there since I've been subscribing to your channel here for the last couple of years. So Emma, we're going to get this on a shipping route to you. I think it's being paddled over in a two-man canoe. Could take a while to get there, so I hope you'll send me a message when you've got it. I'm sure I speak for a lot of people when I say we really enjoy what you do.